If you're an agency and you want to actually upload a snapshot to a sub account, you can actually see what's inside of the snapshot using our snapshot asset viewer before actually importing it to the snapshot. This is great because if you want to see if a specific asset exists before importing the entire snapshot, you can do that through a quick preview as well as a search option. I'm going to show you how to use this incredible feature. Let's get started. Okay, so you're going to want to be on the sub account level. Once you're on the sub account level, just go ahead and scroll down to account snapshots. Once you're on account snapshots, you can go ahead and select my snapshots, imported snapshots, any of these options. You're going to see a list of your snapshots and go ahead and click on the snapshot that you would like to view. Now, once you've selected that snapshot, you're going to see an entire list of all of the assets that are included in that individual snapshot. So you'll also have an icon where you can actually expand to see what's included in each of those actual categories. Now, if you've ever wondered if HighLevel snapshots include a specific feature, you no longer have to worry about that because it's going to show you all of the assets. So you'll see here that we have 78 assets, and it'll also show you the product category. Now, what I love about this is if you're looking for something, you can actually use the search assets bar. So let's go ahead and just type in a word here, info, and guess what's popped up? The custom fields. So if I go ahead and expand on that, I can see general info as well as additional info listed here. So all you have to do is just click on the snapshot's name and you can easily see all of the assets that are included in that snapshot. Go ahead and start using this feature so that you can quickly see if this is a snapshot that you want to import into a specific sub account.